Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 9, Functions in C Programming. In this episode, we learn how to define, call, and use functions for modular programming. A function in C is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Functions help organize programs and reduce repetition. To define a function, write the return type, name, parameters in parentheses, and the code inside curly braces. Functions can be declared before use if defined later. You call a function by writing its name and passing the required arguments. Control moves to the function, executes the code, and returns the result. Parameters in a function act as placeholders for the values passed during a function call. The actual values given are called arguments. The return statement sends a value from the function back to the caller. Functions declared with void do not return anything. This diagram shows how functions are defined, called with parameters, executed, and return values to the caller. Here is an example of a simple function that adds two numbers and returns the result. When you run this program, it prints the sum returned by the function. This example defines a function add that takes two integers and returns their sum. The main function calls add and prints the result. The output of example 1, simple function is as follows. Sum equals 15. Here, the greet function does not return a value. It simply prints a message when called from main. The output of example 2, function with no return is as follows. Hello, welcome. This example shows a function with a parameter. The main function passes 25 as an argument to display, which prints it. The output of example 3, function with parameters is as follows. Number equals 25. In this program, the multiply function takes two arguments, multiplies them, and returns the product, which is printed in main. The output of example 4, multiple parameters is as follows. Product equals 24. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Write a function to add two numbers and return the result. Call the function from main and display the returned value. Exercise 2. Write a void function to print a greeting message. Simply call the function from main to display the message. Exercise 3. Write a function that takes a number as a parameter and prints it. Pass a value from main to the function and print it using printf. Exercise 4. Write a function to multiply two numbers and return the product. Call it from main and display the result. Exercise 5. Write a function to find the maximum of three numbers and return it. Use if statements inside the function and print the result in main. Thank you for watching episode 9. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic C programming series.